Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Unsa man ang less pendants and adverse claim in relation to a land disputes or purchasing of lots. Tara, let's talk about this. Less pendants or letis pendentia is an action filed in the Registry of Deeds. Unsay purpose? This is to serve notice the whole world that the property is under litigation or naay pending na kaso. This is to prevent the innocent buyer from claiming ignorance of the dispute. Usual, makita ni siya nato sa loyo sa titulo na atuang pagapaliton. So what is the effect of less pendants? Number one, the buyer is bound to whatever outcome sa kaso. And secondly, it protects claimant's right while the case is unresolved. Example, duha ka magsuon, fight over the inheritance of a lot. Filing less pendants to the Registry of Deeds could serve na either nilang duha dili pwedeng makabaligya or makamortgage sa property without being affected sa court's decision. On the other hand, adverse claim is a sworn statement by a person asserting rights or interest over a registered land adverse to the registered owner. Still, it is filed at the Registry of Deeds. So, unsay purpose sa adverse claim? It will provide temporary protection for someone claiming ownership or rights over the dispute land. And it will alert the public that the registered title is being contested. So what are the effects of adverse claim? First is, the title will be annotated by the Registry of Deeds for 30 days unless extended by the court. And it will prevent fraudulent transfer because it will give notice to the buyer. Example, nipayat kag yuta, but si seller refused to transfer title. So file kag adverse claim in order to protect your interest while you are seeking for legal remedies in court. In closing, less pendants and adverse claims are shields against unfair transfer and fraudulent dealings. Less pendants arises from pending case while adverse claim arises from personal claim. Both are reminder that in property law, vigilance is protection. This has been Attorney Ken Orwebe Marsado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about education and Philippine law, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.